We'll guide you through how to transfer files from Dropbox to Google Drive seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your Dropbox account with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the files or folders you want to transfer. You can select multiple files by holding down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while clicking the files. After selecting, click the Download button, usually found in the toolbar at the top. This action will download a zip file containing your selected files to your computer. After the download is complete, you need to extract the files from the zip folder. On Windows, right-click the zip file and select Extract All, then choose a destination folder. On a Mac, just double-click the zip file to extract it. Now, go to the Google Drive website and log into your Google account. Once you're in, click the Point New button on the left side of the screen, then select File Upload or Folder Upload, depending on what you downloaded. Navigate to the extracted files on your computer, select them, and begin the upload process to Google Drive. You can monitor the upload progress at the bottom right of the Google Drive page. Once the upload is complete, your files are now safely stored in Google Drive. This method is straightforward and ensures that you have full control over what gets transferred. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.